Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account to your bank account. So the first thing that you have to do is to open PayPal's official website, as you can see, and log into your existing account, right? So once that you have done this, here you'll see an option which shows you all your available balance, right? In this case, I don't have any dollar, but I can show you the tutorial anyway. So once that you're here and that you have your balance, you're going to press on this button which says transfer funds. Now we have a lot of options, like as you can see, you can transfer to your bank account, transfer to Nubi, transfer to Macro, or you can do other options. In this case, this tutorial is about transferring to your bank account, so we are going to press on the first option. And now, as you can see, I don't have enough balance, but I'm going to show you a few screenshots showing you how to do this properly. So once that you have pressed on this button, the only thing that you have to do is to select your bank account. You have to check because it's going to take 1% of the amount being transferred, and then you have to enter the full amount that you want to transfer. So you just don't need to enter decimal point or comma, just type the digits in order. So once that you have finished this, you're going to press on next and continue. So this is the easiest way to transfer funds from PayPal to your bank account. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.